What's up, guys? Garcia Brothers Detailing here with a small product review on Cruise, which is a matte interior detailer by Shine Supply. You can get that over at Shine Supply, Maryland. And we're in love with this stuff, really. And we use it on everything. And we used it on this entire X3 today, 2022 X3. Clean and condition pretty much every part of the car. Now, we just wanted to show you guys how it is great to use on navigation screens. And you can see how this is, fingerprinted up. It's a little dirty. So, we'll show you guys how we take care of that. And we're going to use a really nice plush microfiber. I love this 8x8, it's handheld. This is from the rag company. I forget exactly what rag this is, but it's really cool for cleaning screens and just really nice piano finishes. I used it on this whole piano finish down here as well. So yeah, we're just gonna spray one side. Just spray one side, got the screen off, and very simple. Clean that nice and gentle, and then turn it around and give it a nice wipe on the other side. We use a lot of Costco Kirkland yellow microfiber towels to clean interiors. One thing I usually don't do, though, is we don't use this on piano finishes that much. We use something a little bit more soft and plush, like something similar to this rag here. But you can see that it gives it the perfect cleaning finish. Check that out. This screen is absolutely perfect. And this was all done by Cruise. And you can get this on ShineSupply.com or Shine Supply Maryland. And yeah, this is our go-to product. We love this. We love this product right now. We don't use it on every interior. Obviously, it's not going to deep clean certain cars that are super dirty. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. And see you on the next one.